The Nifty chart is currently flashing 4 major bearish signals at the same time, something that we haven't seen since the start of 2020 bull run. Now, is this a sign of concern? Let's break it down. Global market is under intense pressure. Amid investors grappling with geopolitical tensions and energy concerns, indices like Sensex and Nifty have shown sharp corrections. Now, in just about a month's time, Nifty has corrected by almost 12% from its all-time high levels. And still there is no clear sign that the war tensions are easing, which means uncertainty continues to stay in the market for some more time. Now, in fact, even the consumers and the economy have started to feel the heat of the same in the form of rising input cost, LPG shortage, etc. And therefore, there are few important technical parameters that deserve your attention. So this is the daily chart of Nifty, and as you can see that since the low of 2020, March 2020, prices have been moving in a higher high, higher low fashion and respecting this channel for almost 4 years now. Secondly, this high of 26,300-350 remains a very crucial resistance. And if prices would have managed to break above this level, it would have confirmed the continuation of the uptrend. But despite multiple attempts to do so, prices could not break above this level, and instead it broke below the pivot low of 24,600. Now the break below 24,600 is a very strong bearish signal for 4 major reasons. Number 1, this breakdown violates a channel that was intact since 2020. Number 2, if you can see that prices were forming a head and shoulder kind of pattern, and the break below 24,600 was a neckline breakdown, which gives us a downside target of around 22,700. Number 3, if you check out the moving averages, the 50-day moving average has crossed below the 100-day moving average, which indicates that the downside momentum continues. Number 4, if you check out the weekly chart, prices closed below the Ichimoku cloud support with good volumes. Now this is a very bearish indication on the broader time frame as well. So now, as long as we do not see a strong close about 24,300, the stance remains bearish with the first target of around 22,700, followed by 22,300, followed by 22,000. And if at all index breaks below 22,000, it will create more panic in the market and prices might go towards 18,000 to 19,000 levels. Now this is not to scare you, nor this is any investment advice. This is just to make you aware that avoid bottom fishing in this market, because markets are really very fragile as of now. Fresh accumulation should be done only if you see clear signs of bulls coming back. Currently, if prices close about 24,300 in the coming week, that will be a strong indication that the bulls are returning back to the market. Also, keep a close watch on how crude oil prices are performing. If we see any cool off in the crude oil prices along with some good price pattern on the chart, that will be an indication that bulls are coming back, and that should be a time when you should think of fresh accumulation. Until then, be cautious and avoid taking hasty decisions in the market.